Hello everyone. Today, we will discuss the characteristics of a female narcissist. I understand that this subject may spark controversy, but it is crucial to comprehend and identify these behaviors to safeguard ourselves from exploitation or manipulation. Make sure to stay tuned for later in the video, where I will delve deeper into the typical traits of a female narcissist in a relationship. Trust me, this segment is equally significant, particularly if you suspect you are currently involved with or on the verge of entering a relationship with a female narcissist. Welcome to our channel where we discuss self-development through Stoicism. Whether you are new here or a subscriber, we hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started without delay. I'll start by sharing a story about a female narcissist I once met. She was a colleague at work and initially seemed like a great office buddy, always smiling, helpful, and with a strong work ethic. However, over time, I noticed some concerning behaviors. She would often boast about her achievements, belittle others, and only help if it benefited her. There were manipulative incidents where she would make herself look good at the expense of others. It became clear that she was a narcissist, and working with her was exhausting. Reflecting back, I realized there were signs I should have noticed earlier on. One common trait is an inflated sense of self-importance. This is when a narcissist consistently talks about themselves, their achievements, and their intellect. They believe they are superior to others and struggle to consider different perspectives. While a bit of narcissism is natural and can boost our self-esteem, excessive self-importance can lead to significant issues in relationships and daily life. In a female narcissist, this exaggerated sense of self-importance is evident in her belief that she is the center of attention, expecting everyone to focus on her. She talks about herself incessantly, boasting about achievements, even if they are not remarkable. Seeking constant attention and validation, she becomes upset when she doesn't receive it. However, this exaggerated self-importance often masks deep-seated insecurities and low self-worth. Female narcissists use their grandiose facade to conceal their feelings of inadequacy and insecurity. Watch for warning signs such as constant self-centered conversations, interrupting others, expecting special treatment, and reacting angrily when it's not provided. Female narcissists are skilled manipulators who will use various tactics such as charm, flattery, or intimidation to get what they want. One common tactic they use is gaslighting, where they deny reality or make the victim question their memory and perception. For example, they may deny saying or doing something even though it clearly happened, causing the victim to doubt their own sanity and feel confused and helpless. Female narcissists may also use guilt and shame to exploit others, manipulating their victim into feeling guilty for not meeting their expectation. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content about self-development and improving your life. Your kindness will go a long way in helping our new channel. Female narcissists may experience envy and attempt to diminish others in order to make themselves feel superior. This could manifest as bullying or other aggressive behaviors to assert dominance. Despite their self-absorption and lack of empathy, narcissists can still feel jealousy or envy due to their deep-seated insecurities and low self-esteem. Female narcissists, in particular, may envy women who possess qualities they lack, such as physical attractiveness, intelligence, success, or a happy personal life. This envy can drive them to belittle others or try to outdo them in an attempt to boost their own self-worth. They may even copy or imitate the attributes they envy in others, even if it means compromising their own values or beliefs. Envy is not healthy. Envy is not productive. It can lead to toxic behaviors in relationships, and it can diminish our sense of self-worth. If you feel envious of others, it is important to take a step back and try to understand the root of those feelings. Are you comparing yourself to others in an unhealthy manner? Are you not recognizing your own accomplishments? We are all different. Remember that we all have our own strengths and weaknesses. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on improving yourself and celebrating your own achievements. Female narcissists often believe they are superior to others and deserving of special treatment. This entitlement can show itself in various ways, like seeking attention and validation, becoming angry if they don't receive it. They may also feel entitled to certain possessions and become jealous if they can't have them. However, entitlement isn't just about material things. It can also involve wanting control and power over others, using manipulation to get what they want. Recognizing and dealing with entitlement is crucial, as it can lead to a lack of empathy and toxic relationships. Not all women are narcissists. It's worth noting that not all women displaying narcissistic traits are automatically narcissists. It's important to recognize that men can also be narcissists. Additionally, individuals with narcissistic personality disorder often struggle to admit their shortcomings and seek assistance. Therefore, it's crucial to address this issue with sensitivity and empathy. Moving on to the bonus part of this session, let's discuss what a female narcissist seeks in a relationship. Initially, she tends to prioritize herself above all else. While this might initially come off as charming and confident, it often masks a manipulative nature. In a relationship, a female narcissist may act kind and caring, but her true focus is on herself and what she can gain from the relationship. One common trait of a female narcissist is the constant need for attention and validation. She may display jealousy or possessiveness towards her partner, always seeking reassurance of their love. However, she may lack empathy and consideration for her partner's needs or feelings. For instance, if her partner disagrees with her or challenges her, she might distort their words or make them doubt themselves. Emotional manipulation is another tool a female narcissist may use to achieve her desires. This can involve threats of self-harm or playing the victim to manipulate her partner into complying with her wishes. Female narcissists often deflect blame onto others for their mistakes or problems, portraying themselves as faultless victims even when they are clearly in the wrong. This behavior can make it challenging for their partners to address any issues in the relationship. It is crucial to recognize these patterns if you are in a relationship with a female narcissist. While it is possible to have a healthy relationship with a narcissistic partner, it requires significant patience and understanding. Seeking professional therapy or support can be beneficial in navigating this complex dynamic. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you found this information useful, be sure to check out another video from our channel. Until next time.